This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook tofu soup. Let us begin by gathering our essential ingredients for a delicious bowl. You will need 1 block of firm or extra firm tofu, about 400 grams, along with 1 quart of your favorite broth. Be sure to have 1 cup of chopped kimchi and 100 grams of sliced mushrooms ready. Also, 1 small onion and 1 tablespoon of gochujang or Korean chili paste are crucial. This combination promises a rich and savory foundation. Now, let us prepare our tofu for maximum flavor and texture. First, gently press your firm or extra firm tofu for at least 30 minutes to remove excess water. This step is vital for preventing a watery soup. You can use a tofu press or simply place it between paper towels with a heavy object on top. Once pressed, slice the tofu block into uniform 1-inch cubes. Patting them dry ensures they absorb the soup's delicious flavors more effectively. Next, we will create the heart of our soup, its savory flavor base. Begin by sautéing your chopped small onion and the 1 cup of kimchi in a large pot over medium heat for about 3 minutes until fragrant. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of gochujang or Korean chili paste, mixing it thoroughly with the aromatics. Pour in your 1 quart of broth, bringing the entire mixture to a gentle boil. This rich foundation sets the stage for a truly comforting meal. With our flavorful base simmering, it is time to combine the main components. Carefully add your 100 grams of sliced mushrooms and the pressed 1-inch tofu cubes to the pot. Stir gently to ensure everything is submerged in the aromatic broth. Reduce the heat to a low simmer, cover the pot, and let the soup cook for 10 minutes. This allows the tofu to absorb the wonderful flavors and the mushrooms to soften perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.